Installation Guide of Monitech's MC550BL Replacement Kit for Allen Bradley 550 Terminal. To install the keypad, partially remove the back sticker. Line up the bottom. Put the cables through. Press all of the buttons. Make sure there are no stuck keys. Add hot glue to the back slots. Make sure the glue is flat. Install the thin foam. Add a plastic 4-40 nut to the 4-40 standoff as a spacer. Install the 4-40 standoff onto the bezel. Make sure there is no dust or fingerprints. Install the LCD using 4-40 screws. Follow for more.